Hello guys and welcome to Ali Yasser Photoshop graphic tutorial channel. Most of people have problem with eye dark circle. We have many ways to remove eye dark circle, but in this video I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to remove the dark circle of eye. Let's get it started. First of all, duplicate the main layer by pressing Ctrl J. Select the copied layer and go to filter menu, then go to other and select the high pass filter. As you can see, with this filter we can adjust the layer texture. You can reduce the pixels, it depends of your photo. I choose the 4 pixels for this one and click OK. Change the blend mode to overlay. Now add a blank layer and drag it under the filtered layer. Now mask the top layer to the blank layer by holding the Alt key. As you can see, this small arrow and click between the two layers. Click on a blank layer and choose the brush tool. Then click on color. In here, choose a color from the fair part of the skin and click OK. You can reduce the opacity and flow according to your image. Now start brushing to remove the dark circle around the eyes. When you're done, if you did much more, you can reduce the opacity. As you can see, with this method, you can easily remove the dark circle of eye without losing the skin texture. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.